In this exercise, we're asked to subtract and simplify 5/6 minus 3/4. Before we can subtract, we must have a common denominator. Looking at the denominators of these fractions, they are 6 and 4, which are not the same. We need to find the least common multiple of 6 and 4 and use that to rewrite these fractions with a common denominator. Looking at 6 and 4, first of all, notice that 6 is not a multiple of 4. However, a multiple of 6, 6 times 2, the next multiple of 6, which is 12, is a multiple of 4. So the least common multiple of 6 and 4 is 12. So we will rewrite 5/6 and 3/4 with a denominator of 12. We'll do this by multiplying by 1, choosing the form 2 over 2 to rewrite 5/6 with a denominator of 12, and choosing the form 3 over 3 to write 3/4 with a denominator of 12. In order to multiply, we multiply numerators, multiply denominators. So we have 10 over 12 minus 9 over 12. Now that we have common denominators, we subtract the numerators, 10 minus 9, and we keep the common denominator 12. And we perform the subtraction. 10 minus 9 is 1, and the denominator is 12. So 5/6 minus 3/4 is 1/12.